can't believe I lived my whole life without knowing this. A maid revealed the secret to me. We put 100 milliliters of water in a pot. 4 tablespoons of detergent. This is a secret of domestic workers. We put only 4 tablespoons of vinegar. See the chemical reaction that is taking place here. And see these 2 pots, they are impregnated, unclean. This dirt does not come off. We already tried to wash them with steel sponge. We already use all kinds of soap and it doesn't come out. I asked a retired maid for help, and she revealed this secret to me, which I'm going to show you now. Look at the magic, look what will happen to these pots. We will use a dry sponge. Put in the mixture that the retired housekeeper taught me. See how it foams. Here we have vinegar, which is a fortifier. The vinegar made this into a powerful soap. Now we are going to scrub. We scrub normally, but there is no need to force it. The dirt comes off and the metal begins to shine. And see, the dirt melts and comes out as if by magic with this mixture. See, the metal has already begun to shine. It was a retired domestic worker who taught me this secret. This does not come out. I already tried to remove it with a steel sponge. I put it in here, do you see? I put it in here, and this mixture will start to penetrate the outer layer of the metal. This is going to make all that embedded dirt come out. Do you see that the reaction has already started? See the chemical reaction inside. See what I'll do now. I'm going to rub without force. If you clean this pot, you would normally suffer, you would have pain in your arms, and it would not be shiny. Look, see, come and see. See that it is already shiny with just one rub. Now let's rinse. See how intense the shine, see how this mixture works. What a wonderful result. You can have this result in your home. Don't throw away pots. Clean your pots using this tip. I'm going to pass a cloth to dry and see that the shine appears. It is an easy tip to make, everyone can do it. Because it is very easy, it does not use expensive ingredients. You can buy an aluminum cleaner at a store. The one that shines aluminum, but that is very expensive and causes allergies, and it does not give this result. Any old pot will be as good as new using this mixture. I used vinegar and look what happened. Remember, this pot was dark in there. See how it turned out using that vinegar-based mixture. This pot was all black on the outside. This pot was a basket case. I was going to throw it away. But the maid taught me this magic trick. Now I want to thank Mrs. Mary Frances, who taught me this trick. I was going to throw these pots away and now I won't, thanks to Mrs. Mary Frances. She was the one who taught me this vinegar-based trick. See how it really works. That is why we must give value to the elderly. Seniors know what they're talking about. They have knowledge of life. It was a retired